sorry, Jason. Talk to the hand because the ears ain't listening. Let's move on to round number 2 of... Name That Sound! All right, folks, here we go. For 500 points, name that sound.
That's a rake. That's the classic sound of rake rustling. I'll take my prize now, thank you.
Oh, hilariously incorrect. Linda.
Well, it kind of sounds like a tree, but I think it's a trick question. So I'm gonna go with lettuce.
Oh, you think that sound is lettuce?
I think that's what you want me to think it is. So, lettuce. Final answer, absolutely.
Incorrect. David.
That is the sound of a three-toed sloth. No, a pygmy three-toed sloth adjusting its grip on a red mangrove tree in Panama.
Wow, I was just looking for sloth. Was that correct? Wow, that's correct. Are you not a human person?
Oh, I am. I'm human. I guess I just really love listening. All Ken Garff employees are great listeners.
Are we sure that's not a rake?
It's not a rake, Jason. All right, round number 2 goes to David, our resident champion from Ken Garff. All right, before we get any further, let's just take a second to get to know our contestants a little bit better. Linda, why don't we start with you? Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I majored in mime at Yale. Not that Yale, the other one. And I used to play professional tambourine, and I found $20 in my pocket.
I love money.
It's real.
Good for you. All right, Jason, what about you?
I'm a guy's guy. You know, I like to shake hands, throw things real far. Dogs consider me their alpha. I think some cats do too, I bet.
And do you also love listening?
Sorry.
Never mind. And we all know our last contestant and reigning champ from Ken Garff.
Hello, I am David from Ken Garff, and we have dozens of dealerships all over Utah. But that is enough about me. I want to hear more about you, Kate. How's your training going? Are you feeling marathon ready?
Oh, you remembered. Yeah, it's going great. Wow, I feel so heard.
That's just kind of what we do at Ken Garff.
I can run as far as an airplane.
It's time for another round of Name That Sound. This is our catch-up round brought to you by Fry Sauce. Fry Sauce, try it on food. You'll like it. For this round, the contestant with the fewest amount of points gets the first chance to catch up. Jason, you're behind, so you get to name this sound.
Oh, that is the sound of a kitten purring. Bam! Next, money!
Incorrect. Linda.
That is the sound of absolute chill.
Absolute chill is not a sound.
I wish it was, because I am on edge.
David.
This is the sound of rain falling on the head of an 82-year-old woman as she waits in the park to be reunited with the love of her life.
That is amazing, David. You were really good at hearing things. Oh, yeah. All right, well, next sound.
Oh, duh. All right, this one's easy. This is the sound of a man in a mustache having his back fixed at a chiropractic office, starting at the bottom and working its way up from like the C4 to the A4 because he rolls, and it hurts in the morning when he wakes up to walk his dog.
Linda?
I do know what it is, but I can't tell you because it is a secret. Shh. But you can trust me, I know it.
Nope, I cannot do that. David.
That's ice cracking.
That's it? No super specific details, just ice cracking?
Oh, yeah, sorry, that's Dale, the intern. He's cracking ice for his soda.
Simply amazing. You folks at Ken Garff really do listen. Okay, it's time to go to the final round, and it's clear that we're gonna need to make things a little bit harder for some of you. So what do you say we crank up the volume? The rules are the play a sound, you name that sound. Got it? What? Great, here it is.
Wait, did you already play it? Can you play it again?
Oh, sorry, Jason, no repeats. You have to listen. That's literally the whole thing. Name that sound, Jason.
Bad music.
Good music.
Canada geese. It's a flock of Canada geese preparing for their great winter migration.
That is correct! For the 4th week in a row, David takes the cake. And that's why you need a Ken Garff dealership. No matter what else is going on around you, Ken Garff listens. That's it for Name That Sound. We'll see you next time. And remember, if the ear fits, wear it.